About to go pick up my first car from Mannheim. And if y'all wondering why I got these glasses on, boy, do I have a story for you. I have a story for you. But yeah, 2022, about to go pick up a car from Mannheim, first of the year. And I'll see y'all when I get there. Yeah, finally made it. Now I'm looking for the car. Oh man, I like that Expedition right there. It's clean as hell. See that white Expedition right there? That bad boy clean. Where the hell is this car at? You see it? Might be under here. Oh, it's not under here? It's a black Rendezvous. Oh, there it is right there. I see her. Oh, I see her. And there she is. She don't look too bad at all. All I gotta do is wash this bad boy and it's good to go. Oh, there is a little damage on the door. I didn't see that. Well, that ain't that bad though. That ain't too bad. Here she is. I have to put that little, I'm gonna have to put this piece on her, whatever that is. I don't even know what that is. Let me see what it look like on this side. Oh, is that? Oh, okay. I heard it was dirty as hell. Got the third row seat. Somebody definitely had kids. Oh, start it up, my bad. Well, start it up then. You can start it up. That is true. It's cold as hell. Ooh, nice start up. It's dirty as hell in here though. Definitely gonna have to get this carpet and stuff clean, but other than that, you know. Damn, filthy as hell. What is that? Somebody on road, some kid on wrote all on it. See, this is why you don't gamble on cars. Man, I gambled on this thing. I should have got it for like $1,500, $2,000, you know? But oh well. It is what it is. Definitely got to be detailed. Ugh. I don't even want to touch that crap. Windshield's cracked. I'm somehow to get that replaced. Hopefully I can get it done cheap. Got a sunroof. And oh well. Let's get it, let's go. Change the engine oil. Let's see y'all on the outside. See the ride. Okay. Oh, it does ride pretty good. Takes off. Woo! Nice little. Oh, we got one of these right here. Infinity. Oh, that's the one he told me must have went for like damn near $6,000. We got ours for $5,000. Oh yeah, it does ride pretty good. I gambled on this one too, so I'm lucky. Oh, that was a G6. I should have came here today, man. They're gonna charge it. Damn, man. I definitely should have came today. Well, security checkpoint and get up out of here. Oh, I see what he's saying. It does need a little suspension work. I'm getting 45 for this one, but I hope someone might get me. If not, I'm gonna have to not make too much money off of it. That will suck. Radio works. the shop. Had to come and do a little cleanup work to this Tahoe right here I just got. So just put some Armorals on the tires, clean this bad boy, and I got somebody coming to look at it in about 30 minutes. So go ahead and take care of my business, you know what I'm saying? Gonna go to the office and do what I gotta do, baby. Yeah, this Tahoe ain't bad at all, man. I actually like it. You know, ride's really pretty good. I had to pick it up from Iowa. And you know, drove it up here to Minnesota, and it held up pretty good on the road. So now I'm about to take it to the office and hopefully I can get this bad boy sold, you know what I'm saying? And then for that rendezvous that I picked up, I have to get some tires because that thing was wobbly as hell, man. Like the car was feeling like it was about to, you know, sway to the other lanes when I was on the highway, so I was kind of scared of driving it. But the mechanic Joe just called me and said all I need is some tires and I need some brakes all the way around. So hey, what can I do? Gotta do what I gotta do, baby, you know? But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to the office. Yo, I'm sitting up here in the office waiting for my customer to get here. So hopefully he take this Tahoe off my hands. You know, we've been in contact for about 4 days, and I had to put a new battery in it. So I kept telling him, like, basically sending him off like, yo, I won't be there for another hour. Can we reschedule for tomorrow and blah, 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 you know? So now I finally got a battery in it and it's driving like a champ. So hopefully when he gets here, I can get this bad boy sold, you know? Otherwise, it's on to the next one. We go from there, you know? So, yeah, he should be pulling up any second now. But yeah, it's your boy in the office, man, just chilling. And I wait for him, looking out the window, wait for him to pull up so I can go down and talk to him. So, I'll let y'all know how it go in a sec. Peace out. Yo, he bought the Tahoe. He took that thing off my hands. I forgot to get footage of him pulling off in it, driving off in it. But yeah, he definitely bought that bad boy. So today was a good day, you know. On to the next, on to the next one. Hard to move on when you always read. Anyway, I'll see y'all on the next episode, man. Always remember, get your mind right, your body right, and always, always take care of your business.